Hello, today I come to talk to you about the project Zero Rain Against Climate Change, Deforestation and Hunger. How it came about the idea of CO2 regulation? The idea of CO2 regulation born on a series of personal experience and the serious consequences that were causing the uncontrolled flames and drought in Montreal Hill and other places of the country proud of climate change. This evidence did that Juan Carlos Desma think about how coal has for opposed to the two main causes of change climate, the gas emissions, greenhouse effect, and the massive deforestation, having included that it should have an emphasis in development and production lines for cultivate called the complete ecosystem reconstruction. It's like that how they grow the first step of carbon dioxide regulation and project that science the 2018 report give effect solutions to deforestation with a method more faster and more efficient for in-system big data, smart sets, and runs that would unload costs and actual efficient certification in unload the creation of new ecosystem that help to mitigate global climate change. Visit us CO2 Regulation.